Why? Why couldn't you be 1/6 scale? Sorry, I broke character for a moment. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. Y'all, it is no secret that I love a corner room. I made this one using 3 wooden canvases from the dollar store a while back in this video. The walls are 14 inches tall, so it's a good size for the dolls, and we can combine more than one to expand the scene. But we do end up with a line going down the center. And they're stackable. You just gotta put a little support over there on that side. We even made magnetic wallpaper so we could easily switch out the look. And now there are play sets that allow us to do just that, but they're for a smaller scale. And y'all, we have a tutorial for a couch that's pretty similar to this, made out of felt. This line is called Sweet Spaces, Your Room, Your Rules, where we get corner rooms and accessories that we can use to transform our space our way. This is the bedroom all-in-one set. It was $19.99. On the back of the box, it says we get everything we need to create our own bedroom, with 30 accessories, wallpaper and flooring, and they're stackable. We are seeing a little corner room trend right now with the minis. Like with MGA's Miniverse, Make It Mini Spaces. Back in the day, it was my world, which is a good size for Chelsea dolls, and I like using them with my Peach Riot figures. And now I'm interested in seeing which dolls will fit Sweet Spaces. So let's open this up and build our room. There are instructions to help us put our corner room together. These are the walls, so yeah, this room is for a very small doll. I have one purple wall that is 5 inches tall and around a little under 5.5 inches wide. This wall has a little texture to it. I think there might be some water play. The other wall has holes and the floor has a sculpted tile. First, we connect the walls that just kind of snap into each other, then connect them to the floor. If you're looking for a DIY for your 1/6 scale dolls, this is kind of similar to our Fortnite room. Once connected, it's pretty stable. We get a drill that could be used with the Barbie, but it is a little cartoonish. We get a paint tray and a roller. The roller has foam on it and it does turn. Here they are with a Barbie. On a protected surface, we're supposed to add water to the paint tray, then use the roller in the water to soak it up, then use the roller on the purple wall to reveal something? Is it something supposed to happen? Oh, you're actually removing the purple stuff. You gotta wash the walls. Oh, this is gonna be messy. So it's a color reveal thing, and you just gotta pretty much clean the walls. Okay, honestly, it's a cool idea. I mean, I personally am not a fan of water play, but I can understand the appeal. We get a small sponge that will totally be going in my Barbie kitchen after we use it to transform the headboard with more color reveal stuff. Yeah, this is gonna take me a minute, but thanks to movie magic, we're done. I suggest taking the time to make sure everything is dry and the headboard has to be cleaned front and back. Then we can attach it to the bed, and this is the start of our room. If we want to change the room a little, we have 2 cards for wallpaper that are reversible. We have 2 cards for flooring that are also reversible. And I bet you could probably use these as templates on scrapbook paper to make more. They fit into the floor under little tabs and onto the walls the same way, giving us a new look. We have a shelf. We can use the drill to push a hole into the wall right through the paper so we can attach the shelf. There are a lot of holes in the wall, so you can decide where the shelf will go. All right, that seems kind of secure. We have a small box. Inside, we find a few more accessories that we can assemble, like IKEA furniture, to make a wardrobe with a working drawer for our little room. And there's a bag with more accessories, like bedding with a fabric pillow that is a little large for the bed and covers the headboard. The covers don't lay flat, so I'm just gonna fold it over to look like a throw at the bottom of the bed. There's a rug, some greenery that we have to use the drill for, hangers for the wardrobe, a record player and a record, and we can move the little needle. We have more records and jackets, or sleeves, and stickers to use as posters for the walls, completing this tiny space. But what about the dolls, Toya? Don't worry, I got you. A Chelsea doll is slightly taller than the walls, and too large for the bed, which also rules out a Hey Bestie, but might be usable with a Kelly-sized doll, who is a little over 4 inches, but her feet still hang over the bed. It's a yes for Grogu. You can probably use it with LOL Surprise, and they fit the bed. It works with a Calico Critter, a Barbie Extra Mini Mini, and a Nendoroid. Looks like the Dress to Impress minifigures work in this space. They have basic articulation and might be a little long for the bed. Oh, but my little Peach Riot figures look kinda perfect. There's a room starter base room for $10.99, where we get the corner room with the color reveal wall, the drill, roller, and paint tray, the same wallpapers and flooring, and I got 2 more that are also reversible. I didn't do the color reveal thing, and you can see some of the purple around the edges. When I washed it off, it's the same print underneath. We get a few starter furniture items like a chair, a rug, 2 cube shelves, a cat mug, a shelf, and a ladder that attaches to the corner as a support for the next floor, so we can stack the rooms. It looks like we can also attach them side by side to extend the scene. So we can build our own little house, and as it grows, we can just keep adding rooms. And this one has a different color shelf and chair, so there's a little variation there. The cube shelves and the cat mug are a different color too, so we can mix and match. So they're kind of like those Roll Life miniature house kits. Sorry if I'm pronouncing that wrong, but with more of a playline vibe. For $14.99, we can get a furniture set that does not include the walls, but it does have a tub and a sponge for that color reveal effect. So now we have to clean a miniature tub. I can still see a little blue. Once the tub is pretty much clean, it can fit a Kelly doll, a Calico Critter, and many of the other dolls we showed earlier. The tub has a gold faucet and knobs, and it looks like the knobs can turn a little. It has green feet. We get a green rug that we can place in the room, along with the included towel, basket, plant. There's a shelf we can place on the wall, a couple of candles, a tub tray and soap. We can build a sink to go on the side. There's a mirror, artwork, and bottles. You do have to be careful when making holes in the wall. So, yeah. But this is kind of cute. There's a living room furniture set. We get 2 pink bubble chairs and an ottoman, a rug, a color reveal tray that has printed keys and what looks like a coaster. We have a flower side table. This is very dopamine decor. There's a throw, but it doesn't really lay quite the way I want. We get wall art, a yellow shelf, a vase with flowers, a potted plant, a wavy mirror similar to the one from Mini Brand's home, more candles, a tablet, and a TV. We get a small box where we can build a coffee table, or rather, a TV stand, allowing us to put together a cute little space that is really leaning into dopamine decor. There are other play sets like a game room and a kitchen. I also saw mystery boxes. These were like $5 to $6, and they had different themes. I picked up Pastel Kawaii set with 5 mystery items. There's a collector's guide letting us know the different categories and minis that we might find. I should have went with boho vibes or live happy. There is also cottage core and pastel kawaii. And my mini is, oh, we got some flowers in a purple vase I got another wavy mirror and some vines in a lighter shade of green, a picture in a pink frame, and a couple of stickers. I like how everything is separate. We can just get the room or we can just get the furniture and build our mini house at our own pace. And it might be a good size to use with our remit Life with Cat items. I was buying these at Miniso. This is the table set with a cat cutout. The table might be a little tall for the couch, but I'd probably do it anyway. We get a plate of food, a cat fork, and a spilled glass of milk. Now this remit is more realistic, but I feel like it kind of works here. And I can totally see my little Peach Riot figures moving in. Overall, when it comes to Sweet Spaces, I like the idea. I could live without the color reveal. And I hope we can see something like this in 1/6 scale, but I think my minis will enjoy it. I really like decorating the rooms, and I'm excited to try using a little scrapbook paper to give myself more wallpaper options. But let us know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you for joining us while we checked out Sweet Spaces. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time. Bye!